Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can automatically tag your WordPress posts and save tabs. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in plugins and add a new plugin. Right here you want to search for automatic post tagger, and you're gonna see it here, automatic post tagger. So install now. When we get it installed, activate it. Okay. And then go to settings and you're gonna see it here. So right here you're gonna see settings and you can edit everything here. You can create a new keyword set. Okay, like cas or whatever. Now when you got it, I don't know. Okay, you can new configuration group, and you can just save changes, and this is it. So yeah, this is how we do it, and thank you, see ya, and goodbye.